In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create better images in Grok Imagine Pro Tips 2026. Let's start right at the source. Open your browser and head to grok.com. That's where everything lives. You can use Grok without an account, but if you do sign in, your progress and settings are saved automatically, which makes it easier to pick up where you left off and keep track of your best results. The sign-in is quick, and once you're in, you'll land on the main Grok AI homepage. Take a second to get comfortable with the layout. The central area is your workspace, and on the left you'll find the main navigation. That sidebar is important because it's where you'll access Imagine, the place dedicated to generating and refining visuals. Go ahead and click Imagine. This opens the creative workspace designed for image and video generation. You'll now see a gallery-style list of AI-generated images and videos. Think of this as your starting library. Browse through until something catches your eye. Click any item you prefer to open it in a detailed view. This gives you a larger preview along with the tools you'll use to enhance it. To make the image better, look for the chat bar. This is your command center. Type short, clear directives like better quality, higher resolution, or more accurate. These phrases tell Grok exactly what kind of improvement you want. For even stronger results, keep your wording specific and goal-oriented. For example, if the edges look soft, add sharper details. If the colors are off, include more accurate colors, or balanced lighting. If textures matter, try crisper textures, or cleaner fine details. You're not adding extra steps. You're simply guiding the enhancement in the same place you type your request. Press enter and give it a moment to process. Grok will apply the changes and return an upgraded version based on your prompt. Review the result closely. If it's almost there, refine your wording and run it again. Small adjustments in phrasing, like switching from higher resolution to upscale with minimal artifacts, or from more accurate to photorealistic accuracy, can make a noticeable difference. Keep your instructions concise. Avoid conflicting terms in the same line, and focus on the single improvement that matters most with each pass. That's the flow. Visit grok.com. Optionally sign in to save your work. Use the left sidebar to open Imagine, select a starting image or video, and improve it through the chat bar with clear targeted prompts. With a few precise directives and quick iterations, you'll consistently create better images in Grok Imagine.